Fourth grade, this week, your students will be debugging, which is basically computer science language for problem solving programs and sequences. We're going to be using our Ozobots again this week, except we're going to be using their simulator and some graph paper, and they are going to be writing programs that will create quadrilaterals. I know there's some challenging ones down here, but I know you'll hit these big four right here. And so they'll be using our Ozobot simulator. They'll be coding them. And then once they code them, I want them to actually write down the measurements and name the shape. But how this works is where the debugging comes into play is they'll actually have to write these programs, and using this simulator, they can debug and problem solve the code. They can run their program, and I made a parallelogram right here. But there, as you can see, it's not just as straightforward as you would think, and they're going to have to problem solve and debug their process. And then they will connect to their robot, and their robot will actually uh, use that program to travel that shape here. I'm actually looking. I'm having a buddy 3D print me some pencil holders so that we can one day have these bots write onto the graph paper, and it is 1 centimeter. So when they get to that part where they're writing the measurements, they'll be able to really easily, based on the simulator, um, write down their measurements so they can practice knowing the sides are equal, or things like that. All right.